no, not again. Right when I was about to enjoy my pizza. Classic. I mean, come on. Why now? I tried everything to avoid this, holding my sneeze, breathing through my mouth, even praying to the pizza gods. Spoiler, it didn't work. So here I am, staring at my fallen slice, wondering if I should just give up on life. But wait, I can still save it. Crawling like a hero on a mission, just to have my dreams crushed in an instant. Close-up of my shocked face. What just happened? And here we go again. Sneeze incoming. Somebody take my nose away before I lose another slice. Tag a friend who sneezes at the worst times.